Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. What's the menu for Valentine's Day? Jollof rice? Fried rice? Today, I'm going to show you how to make my special seafood okra soup, also known as treat yourself soup. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button so you can be getting easy and delicious recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie. The ingredients are sliced okra, some shrimps, sliced kale, snails, already cooked, my smoked fish, bell peppers, boiled and blended, quarter red onion, 1.5 habanero peppers sliced, 2 tablespoons palm oil. For the dried ingredients, we have grinded crayfish, 3 tablespoons of oregano, seasoning cube, and of course, my jammy soup spice. In a dry pot, we add our palm oil. We allow this to bleach about 2 minutes till the color changes. You can see the palm oil is a golden color, so I'll add my onion and peppers. Next, we add grinded crayfish, then our blended bell peppers, add a cup of water. So we allow this to cook for 2 minutes. Let me just add my salt. So it's 3 minutes now. So we add cooked snails. We add shrimps. We cover to cook. Next we add the oregano, seasoning cubes, and jammy soup spice. About 5 minutes now, and this is a bit thick, so I'll add water. So just so it's not so thick because of the oven. Yeah, this is good. So in 2 minutes we add our veggies, the okra and the kale. It's 2 minutes now, so let's add our main ingredients, our okra. Also add our kale. Just allow this to cook for a minute before you stir. It's 1 minute already. Let's stir. Look at the seafood okra from Spice and Simplicity with Joy. Oh my God. A seafood okra soup is ready to be served. If you've watched to this point, that means you're enjoying the process. Remember to click on the subscribe button so you can be receiving these great recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie.